I was 23, living in my mother's house, waking up in the dark, climbing poles in freezing Irish rain, and getting paid just enough to survive. Meanwhile, I'd scroll Twitter and see kids my age making 10k a month just from their laptop online. I didn't hate on them, I just thought, why not me? 90 days later, I was one of those kids. No funding, no tech skills, no connections. Just one skill, one offer, and one decision to go all in. Let me show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. In 2019, I landed a secure job. I was a telecommunications engineer in Ireland. Everyone said I was set, but between inflation and the housing crisis, I couldn't even afford to move out of my family home. Every day felt the same. Drive the van, climb the pole, go home tired, repeat. No freedom, no upside, and certainly no plan. But I started seeing people online making money in a different way. And that one question stuck with me. How did they do it? At first I tried SMMA and I failed hard. I didn't know how to get clients, manage projects, or run ads. But in that chaos, I managed to find landing pages. These are essentially a one-page website with just one clear call to action that could get the viewer to book a call, purchase a product, or sign up to a newsletter. No degree was needed, no team, just a simple, powerful skill that businesses need. So I picked it, I committed to it. I started learning this day in, day out. My free time was mainly at nights after work, or especially on the weekends. And from there, I learned how to build a landing page on card.co. I highly recommend you do the same thing. I started sharing my journey on Twitter. Even when my work was average, I posted it. I didn't let imposter syndrome eat me up. I helped people for free. I built simple pages, and then I started sending cold DMs. And within 30 days, I landed my first project. I had made $50. Yes, nothing crazy, but it moved the needle. It let me understand that, wow, this really is possible. It wasn't life-changing money, but it changed everything in my mind. Because now I knew I could make money with my own hands and not from the corporate company that I clocked in every day for. I kept going. I posted daily. I learned copywriting and CRO, that is conversion rate optimization. This allowed me to charge more and I kept improving my offer. I used Loom to pitch prospects with tailored videos. And within 60 days, I had made over $7,000. And by month 3, I hit $10,000 in just 1 month. And I didn't even quit my job yet. I was doing client calls in my van at lunch, delivering work after hours, living off caffeine and momentum. It wasn't perfect, but it was working. And to be honest, for me, I was making a lot of money. As I grew, I started getting inbound leads, and these were basically just people asking me about my service. They were also interested in me helping them to build their business. Freelancers, agency owners, even creators asking, how do you do this? So I ran some free consult calls and I gave some free advice. These people actually went on to build businesses, and one guy actually left his 9-to-5 job from that free advice that I gave him. Then I realized that this could be a business as well. So from there, I built my coaching program. I help others package a skill. I build their offer, help them land high-ticket clients, and replace their 9-to-5. Now I run both my landing page business and my coaching program. Both doing real numbers and helping real people. I actually managed to scale my landing page business to $30,000 in just 1 single month. Now, here's what I want you to know. You don't need 100 skills, you just need 1. You don't need a huge audience, you just need proof. And you certainly don't need a course, you need clients. If you're watching this and you're thinking, yeah, I got a skill, but I haven't a clue how to sell it, Mike, that's where I come in. And every month I work with just a handful of people one-to-one to help them build their online income system. If you're hungry and you're ready to take action, there's a link in the description for you to book a call with me. You can apply, and then within the next 90 days, you'll have flipped a complete new chapter in your life and built that successful business that you've always wanted. No more clocking in, no more asking a boss for days off.